Think of vitamin C as a soldier who is trying to neutralize the enemy that is free radicals. Pew pew pew. Hey my kitty cats, I'm your host Manvi, and today I'm going to share my detailed Indian skincare routine from AM to PM, morning to night. So in my family, we have 4 members and all 4 of us have different skin types. Like I am normal skin type with oily T-zone. I get a lot of whiteheads on my nose and blackheads. And my mom, she is extremely dry skin type. And my father, he is oily skin type. And my brother is acne prone sensitive skin type. So I'm telling you this because I have made them test all of these products which I use in my skincare routine. And it worked for them really well. It did not cause any allergies or reactions. And I made all of them follow proper skincare routine, and it makes my soul so happy. So let's get started with my morning skincare routine already. And I have made a chart. I will share it on my screen right here so that you can save it or take a screenshot, and I will also share it on my Instagram so you can save it. Please share it with your friends, and you can also share it on your Instagram timeline, but don't forget to tag me. So guys, before starting, I just want to say that I have nothing on my skin. I just have lip tint on my lips because it makes me look more presentable on the camera. And I will also share when to use certain ingredients, like vitamin C is preferred during day and glycolic acid is preferred during night. And let's get started with my morning skincare routine, you guys. I'm so excited to finally reveal all of these products, and it's non-sponsored. So the first step that I do when I wake up in the morning for my skin is clean my face. For that, I use Kashmiri, Saffron and Neem cleanser by Forest Essentials. Forest Essentials is a brand based on Ayurveda. They follow Ayurvedic recipes by Ayush, and this cleanser is very gentle, very mild on my skin, and it does not strip my face of my natural oils. Like, it does not leave my skin dry and dead like the charcoal face washes do. So it's very safe, and it's safe for every skin type. The only con is that it has some fragrance into it, so if you are like allergic to fragrances, I would ask you to avoid it. Otherwise, it's an amazing cleanser. It gently washes my face, and this is what I've used right now. Like, I've washed my face with this, and I have repurchased this bottle, so it says something about it. It's really amazing and worth the price. So go for this cleanser if you're looking for a gentle cleanser. Second skincare step is toners, and in the morning I like to use Rosewater toners because how lightweight they are, and they're also very moisturizing and refreshing. And I use 2 different brands for Rosewater toners. That is Forest Essentials. This is what I'm using currently. And I also use Kama Ayurveda. So I'm just gonna spritz it on my face. I just love the fragrance of roses during summers. It makes me feel so refreshed, and the fragrance in this one is not too overpowering, so it's very gentle and mild. And yeah, I just feel so refreshed. Now, you don't use glycolic acid toners during daytime because it exfoliates your skin and remove the dead skin cells, and it also makes your skin sensitive for sunlight and UV rays. So make sure you use it during nighttime. That's what I do. And always make sure that you use an SPF in the day. So in the chart, you will see that the 3rd step is vitamin C serum, and the 4th is hyaluronic acid moisturizer. Now these 2 are really good during day. It hydrates your face, brightens your face, and gives a glow. So before starting, I just want to talk about the vitamin C as an ingredient. It's a miracle and superstar ingredient, and why should you include it in your daytime skincare routine? So let's get started with the benefits of vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid. First benefit is that it is anti-aging, and second, that it is for all skin types, and it's very hydrating for your skin. It has a brightening effect on your skin by reducing the dullness from your skin and by fading the pigmentation, and it also fades the acne scars, and it is also so great in preventing the sun damage. Vitamin C is also very effective in reducing the dark eye circles, which most of the Indian skin types suffer from, and it also promotes the collagen production, and it prevents the skin sagging by increasing your skin elasticity. Now, there are so many forms of vitamin C, but the most effective ones are L-ascorbic acid and sodium ascorbyl phosphate. And always keep your vitamin C serums in the dark because it breaks down in the sunlight. So I would recommend that you use vitamin C in form of serums because it is more effective as compared to toners in vitamin C or vitamin C cream. Currently I'm using this and I'm showing you my real skincare routine, and after this I will just use SPF, and that's it. I'm done for the day. Now moving on to my last step of skincare, that is sunscreen. I want to talk about the vitamin C serum by Sugandha. This is 10% vitamin C serum. I've been on a hunt for vitamin C serum for a really long time, and I think I have found this one. Now the vitamin C used in Sugandha antioxidant serum is sodium ascorbyl phosphate. That is a more stable version of vitamin C, and it is also more effective and less irritating on your skin. And there's one more really important thing about your vitamin C serums that you should know, that it gets oxidized. So make sure that you use your vitamin C serum as early as possible and finish it. So I'm just going to show you how it looks on my face and how easily it gets absorbed. But don't use it after your Dot & Key C serum. Don't use two serums. I'm just showing you for the application purposes. So it has like a muddy orange shade, and it's not because it has oxidized. It has gotu kola in it. They have mentioned inside their ingredient list. And the color is because of the gotu kola. I have talked a lot about gotu kola or Centella asiatica on my channel in my previous skincare video, so please make sure that you watch my skincare playlist that I've created for you. And yeah guys, like, do you see that it gets absorbed really easily? And if you're dry skin type, make sure you use a moisturizer after this, and don't use two serums. I'm just showing you for the application purposes, okay? And currently I'm using Dot & Key, so don't use two serums. No. I will talk about the Sugandha skincare products more in detail in my Indian skincare part 2 video, so wait for that. And yeah guys, that's it for today's skincare routine. And the last step is SPF. Don't forget SPF. And I'm currently using the Plum sunscreen. This is SPF 35 green tea sunscreen. It's so amazing. Like, it's so lightweight. Let me just show you. It's so lightweight and it gets absorbed. Look at this. So I'm just going to apply this on my face. Make sure that you use a sunscreen when you use the glycolic acid in your night skincare routine. And never skip this step. And I've talked about this sunscreen in details in my sunscreen video, so if you haven't seen that, click on this link. Hey guys, so I'm from the future and I wanted to update you about vitamin C serum from Sugandha. I found that it makes my face look dull and it doesn't give any instant glow, and also it's a little bit sticky. I'm still waiting to see the long-term results of vitamin C serum by Sugandha. I will also have a part 2 where I try Indian skincare products, so I will talk in details about Sugandha skincare. So please wait for that before forming any opinion on that. I just wanted to talk about the vitamin C serum, and that's it. And now the past 1 week, please take the cue. Bye. There are 3 extra or cliche steps you can say. Apply lip balm because your lip care is also important, and drink a lot of water because your skin gets dehydrated during summers. And lastly, some more rose water, because why not? So yeah guys, that's it for my morning skincare routine, my easy peasy morning skincare routine. It just takes me 2 to 3 minutes, so make sure that you take out this much of time for your skin because it is essential. And yeah, I will see you in the night for my night skincare routine. In the night, your skin is healing itself. All of your organs are healing itself, and skin is the largest organ, so it needs to heal and repair. And your skincare works more in the nighttime because there are less external factors like sunlight, dirt, and stress, so it works more. So this is the time to get thorough with your skincare routine and use those good miracle ingredients, active ingredients like glycolic acid, and do the spot treatment for your acne scars or marks. And I don't know who needs to hear this, but do your skincare routine. Don't be lazy. It just takes few minutes, but the effects are long term. I feel that I've stopped my aging. Now the first skincare step of the night skincare routine will be removing your makeup, and for that I am using this Plum cleansing balm. This is an alternative for Clinique take the day off cleansing balm, and I will show you a clip where I'm using it on my face, because these days I'm not using any makeup. I'm not applying any makeup because it's so hot and I cannot stand makeup on my face. What I want to say that I follow double cleansing method. First, I use this plant oils and wax based cleansing balm to remove the oil based impurities like your makeup, and then again I use this Forest Essential gel based cleanser, which I use in my morning skincare routine. You can use any foam based cleanser or water based cleanser. After cleansing, your next step will be toner, and for toner I'm using Gulab and Glycolic toner from Dr. Sheth. You guys know how much I love this toner. This is a dupe or alternative, we can say, for Pixie Glow Tonic, and it's very mild, very soothing. So if you're acne prone or sensitive skin type, you can use this toner. It's really gentle and soothing, and also removes and exfoliate your dead skin cells. It gets rid of dead skin cells. So always use glycolic acid based toners during the night time. Don't use it in the daytime because it makes your skin sensitive to the sunlight, sun rays. So I'm just gonna spritz it on my face very quickly, and it irritates just for a few seconds and tingles a little bit because it has glycolic acid. And after this, I'm gonna use Dr. Sheth Cica and Ceramide Overnight Repair Serum, and it has Cica and ceramides, which are really good for collagen production and enhancing your skin barrier, making your skin healthy. After using glycolic acid, you will need something which will repair your skin and heal your skin, because sometimes you can over exfoliate. Now we are done with cleanser, toner and serum, and the last step would be moisturizer. And for moisturizer, I have my favorite moisturizer. This is Plum Green Tea Moisturizer. This is Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. This is a nighttime moisturizer because it has glycolic acid, and it has betaine, which is a humectant which provides hydration to your skin, and it also has green tea leaf extracts, which is so good for your skin. And one more thing, that it is silicones free, which is like amazing. Most of the moisturizers are not silicones free. Most brands use silicones in their moisturizers because it makes them feel silky on the skin and it gives that slip. I like my skin to breathe during nighttime, so this is why I prefer silicone free moisturizers during nighttime. And yeah, we are done with the moisturizer. Now it's time for the spot treatment. If you have any brown spots or pigmented spots or acne scars, then definitely do a spot treatment. And this is by Plum, and this is their green tea clear spotlight gel. And I'm not sure if this thing works, but it has 17 botanical extracts, and it also has salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a form of BHA, beta hydroxy acids, and salicylic acid goes deeper into your skin. It penetrates deeper into skin, and it targets the deeper skin rooted problems like your acne. This thing should work, but I'm not really sure about it. I will leave an update in my description box and link for all of these products in my description box, so make sure you check my description box. Last step of night skincare routine will be the eye cream, and this is the eye cream from Biotique, Bio Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. And this eye gel works, you guys. I've used so many eye creams, nothing worked on my dark circles, but this thing works, and it is also very inexpensive. This is their Ayurvedic eye cream, and it has seaweed. It's gel based, more like jelly, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, a little bit over it. And I get a lot of questions on dark eye circles because Indian skin types are more prone to dark eye circles. We have a very thin layer of skin under our eyes, and it's more prone to moisture loss, so we need to prevent the moisture loss. And for that, you need to use this eye cream. It's a very jelly based consistency, so it forms a thin layer. It keeps your skin layer hydrated, but also does not let the moisture leave your skin, so it works. And that's it for my night skincare routine. I hope I explained everything in details, and what goes first, what goes last, and always apply your spot treatments last. Don't apply any skincare on your spot treatment. And I think I've covered everything. That would be it for today. And make sure that you subscribe and share with your friends who need to hear that you need to form a skincare routine very soon. Make sure that you start with your 20s. That would be the perfect time to start a skincare routine. And kitty cats, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I want to reach 10k subscribers till my birthday, 24th July. Only you can do that. You have the power, so please press that subscribe button.